This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so yesterday we have done this with the smudge tool, and here we have the options, and we have used the smudge tool over here, and I have used the filter options and all. Again, so whatever the tools which are left, so those things and all I will take today's class. Okay, so I'll close all these files. I'll close all these files. So I'll just finalize with, so these are the works we have done in last classes. Okay, so I'll just go to my computer. In the desktop I will take some of the images. So in Photoshop always we need images here. Okay, so here, okay, so I'll just go to my Photoshop and I'll take some reference images from this folder. So reference images. So I'll take some of the files which will give the effect, which will give nice effects and all. Okay, so let us see. Any of the images I'll take here. So like this kind of image, so I'll go to the filter, and what are the tools which we have left that I'm going to teach now. So here we have different options are there. So that is called filter. Again we have the option of noise, and all these options are there, and sketching options and all already you know. So these are the different sketching options which are already available in the filter gallery. So next, some of the images, so it is depends upon the what kind of images you are taking. So we need to take a proper images. We need a good effects and all. So just I'll take this forest images. Suppose I'll just go to the filter. There is an option called render and lens flare. So there is an option called lens flare. So now I want to make the artificial sun here. Just I'll just give okay. So look at the you can see the here. Okay, so like this filter render, and there is an option called lens flare, and I'll just increase the brightness over here. So I'll just increase the brightness over here. This much I'll increase. One second. Okay, so this is a lens flare effect. Control Z. So like that, it is depends upon so what kind of effect you are giving here. Lens flare again. So you can increase the brightness over here, and you can move the position. So it is depends upon the image. It should be natural. Filter, render, and there's option called lens flare. I'll just reduce the brightness over here. How much ever necessary, only that much only we should give it. And I'm fixing the position like this. So like that. So I'll just go to the different image. So you can take any forest images or something. So here you can give the lens flare effects at all. Even for this image also you could give. So this is very small image. I'll just go to the file open, and let us see even this image. So here already light is falling on this tree or this uh, right grasses and all. So like that I'll just keep on giving one more thing. So lens flare, again I want to fix the same position. Okay, again I want to make a brightness over here some more. So it is coming like this much brightness and all we could add it. Okay, so my screen is shared, right? Okay, so anybody having any doubt till now? So yesterday I have told you people, anybody who having any doubt in the Photoshop class, please. Today is the last class of Photoshop. So tomorrow I'm going to start Coral Draw. Okay. So next we'll go to the filter, and again I'll take with a different image. So this is a lens flare. Suppose I will take some of this kind of image. So filter, render, and lighting effects. So some of the images it is looking beautiful. Okay, this is the lighting effect. So this is the lighting effect. So here I'm using this option. So this is one lighting effect option. Even you can reduce the brightness, all these things and all you can reduce it. So this is the thing what we could give it. Again filter, and render, there is option of lighting effect. So some of the things you can do the modification like this. So you will get only the face which is glowing here. Okay, so like that it is depends upon image to image. Okay, so render, again lighting effect, and here we have the option, so which is focusing only this much area. So I'll just go to the different image. Suppose I will take some of the different image. Okay, so which is focusing like this, so I could take even this image. Okay, so any other image which is going to focus. Okay, even this also okay. Okay, so any particular image we need to focus. So here filter, render, and again lighting effect. So you need to focus the side way, only this much only you need to focus. Only this much part only we need to focus. Okay, suppose if we take any face image, only face we are focusing here. So here again filter, render, and here we have the option of lighting effect. So here only the face we are going to focus. So this is a face effect. It will come like this: filter, render, and there's option of lighting effect. So how much ever you want, so only that much area only we need to focus here. So mainly for the photography and all we are using this option. Okay, so please write down. So I have asked you people whatever the options I have written here. What is the file format to say Photoshop, PSD format? Okay, what is the use of layer in Photoshop? That also you have to write. Write a filter gallery option available. So filter gallery option in the sense, if we'll go to here, filter gallery. So what are the options available here? Artistic, brush strokes, distort, sketch, stylus, texture. All these options only you have to write it. Okay, please, anybody having any doubt with the any questions what I have given? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, fine. So I'll just go with the some of the works. So using the clone stamp tool, one of the works we could do it. So that I will show in this class. Today is the last class. So I'll show the, so I'll take one more image for this. So suppose I want to place a palace over here. So the same palace we have taken before. Okay, so here I'll keep these two images beside like this. I'll close all this file, which is the render options what we have used. Okay, so I'll select this file, and here we have the option. So again with the clone stamp tool, so what we have used for the movie poster design, used it. So I'll just select art here, and I need to place it somewhere here. Okay, so I want to place this place having the palace. Okay, so this is, it will give a beautiful look. So this place, before it is look like this, now which is having the palace over here. Okay, so near to this water we have the palace. Okay, so no need to show complete palace. You can show how much necessary, only that much you can show it. Okay, so here the palace. Okay, so using the clone stamp tool, some of the collage works and all we can show it. So it should look natural. Even same thing. So if we'll zoom it, Control plus. So now little bit, I'll just go to here and zoom this layer, Control plus. So this layer I'll zoom it, not this one. So I'll just zoom this layer. Okay, I'll just zoom this layer. So now, so how much ever you want, it will come. So it will continue, keep on continuing the thing. Okay, so how much ever necessary you could add, because this image is very huge. Okay, so how much ever you need it, we could add. So here, Control minus. Okay, so I have not taken the different layer. So I could take it a different layer and I could scale this image. So I have not taken in a different layer. Okay, so like that we have to keep on adding the things for one image only. So we are adding multiple things for this. Even I'll just go to file open. I could add something else for this file. Okay, so let me check what I could add. Suppose I have this one. So let us see this, it will not match, but we have to keep all this thing in a different layer. So then only we could keep it in the background. Okay, some other hills I could add it for this. So I'll just have some hill image and the waterfalls images are there. Okay, suppose if I want to place a waterfall, I'll just file open, or if I have some PNG images over here. Suppose I want to place a tree over. So I'll just go to file, place option I will use, and let us see. See, I have this waterfalls is here. So which is already background is removed. Okay, so I have this tree over here. So tree image which is not having the background. Okay, so this is placing for this. Okay, so this image is over. I don't want this image now. So I'll just go to file, place, and any, suppose we want to add a tree over here. So I'll just go to this one, place, and here again we have the tool of magic eraser tool. I'll just remove. Okay, just remove it, remove this, remove this. So in between we have very big tree. So this, if you want, how much ever you want, you can place it. Okay, again it is in different layer. If you want, you can place it, and if you want to make it long, you can make it long. You want to make it more bigger tree like this, you can make it. Okay, so what else we could place it? It should match. Okay, file, place. Let me check. I have this water. So I'll just go to here and let me check what else I could add it. So using the clone stamp tool. So whenever You will go to, okay, so I have this tree. So in the internet you will get a png images which is not having any background. So okay, any boat house, let me check whether I could place this one. So I'll place it this for a different image. Okay, I'll keep it this much only. So I'll take one more image.
Excuse me, ma'am. I think you're muted.
Sorry, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so just remove how much ever the part you want. So here there is a magic eraser tool. Just remove. So whether it is working for this layer, we'll use it. So here it is not coming properly. Okay, so I'll just go to, so okay, so this image only will take it. Okay, again I'll just go to the magic eraser tool and right click on this rasterize layer and just reduce this and just remove this. See here, this image is matching. So you need to place it properly. Okay, so control T. So, so like this, you could place this kind of image. Okay, so suppose any other things we have to place it, lotus and all those things we have to place it. That also we can make it. And image adjustment, just go to the brightness and contrast. Little bit we can make this house brighter or darker. Some of this we need to match according to the scenery. Okay, here we could use it all these options. Any other thing we have to place it. File place any other png images which is already background is removed. So those images we could place it. So this tree already we have placed. Okay, even this tree we could place it for this. Okay, so which is having a transparent background. Again I'll just go to the magic eraser tool. Okay, so let us see where we could place the tree. Again control T. So it is looking natural wherever you are placing. Okay, you can keep it some one side or this place is good. Okay, so like that we have to keep on matching with all these things. So naturally, many things we could add for this kind of image. So mainly the background should be proper and image should match. Okay, so like that, if we'll go to the internet, So there is an option of PNG images. So if we go to the internet, so here, suppose I want a pond PNG images. Okay, so I'll just go to the pond and which is having the PNG images. So I have, so here, so look at this image I will take, select this, write PNG images which is not having the background, already the background is removed. So I'll just save this image in my desktop and I'll take this file. Okay, I'll save this file in the desktop. So what I'll do, I'll just go to file open and let me check so where I should place the pond. So now I have all the water background is there, already ponds are there. Let me check where I should place the pond. So somewhere you should place it. Okay. Suppose the palace is there and in front of the palace, suppose I want to place the pond. Okay. So here is the road is there. Okay, already pond is here. Okay. Yeah, this one let me check. So this is one big background. Okay, so let us see how to place a pond over here. So I'll just take a duplicate layer of this. Suppose I want to place a pond here. So I'll just place a file place. I'll just go to the desktop and already my image is here. Okay, I'll just take the pond image. So it looks so small. Okay, so it is not having that much good quality image. So it is not having very good quality image. Still it is okay. So I'll just increase the size of this. See now, see this grass and this area, okay, it is going to match. So we need to match. Before it is like this. Now after adding this, even we can make some more like this. It is on this area. So like this you can place it. Suppose if you have to place some plants, fountains, again you have to go here. So we have different kinds of pond images are there. Suppose you want to make some stones and all those things, we need it. Again I could bring the stones from here, so I could take this stones, I could cut the stones from here. I'll take it. Otherwise you can go for stone PNG images. So easily we can make the, I have some stones over here. I'll select this stone, right click on this, save image, again in the desktop. Okay, it is a firework image, so I don't want fire. I'll just select this image, right click on this, save image, and again this is also firework image. So I need to take only the PNG images. And this is the image, it is not look naturally as a stone. Okay, so let me check some of the images. Okay, even this is okay. And even I could place stone with the grass. Okay, some images which is having stones with the grass, I could place that also. Okay, so let me check. This is old structure to look like. Okay, so my systems are not responding. So I'll just let me check. So any other thing I could place it. So I'm just to go to here. So hut is not matching for this image. Still, let us see. So I'll just play some more of this tree and all I could place it. So this image having a good quality. So I'll just go to Control T and I'm just scaling the image. Okay, I'll just scale this image, enter, and magic eraser tool, just okay, and just use it. Okay, so using the magic eraser tool, just you need to cut this neatly. Okay, so Control T, so wherever necessary you could place it. Okay, so is it necessary for this area or is this not necessary for this image? Okay, next using the brush tool, you can make it little smoother and all those things you can make it. Otherwise you can go to the okay, so this is what I just want to tell you. So these are the collage works. Using this collage works, so you can do multiple things. Okay, so you can combine different images. Mainly the matching and the light combination, everything should be good. Even here, little I need to make the lighting and all. We need to do the changes. So image again adjustment, and again you can make this one brightness and contrast. Little bit you can make it little darker, more brighter is not necessary, little bit you can make it dull. Even this image also like this part, only how much ever the area you want, only you can place it that much only. So this is very simple. So who are not able to cut the images, you can bring the png images and you can place it. So this is one easy method. Whatever the things you want, you can place it. Okay, so you will have the, from the internet you will have the stone images and all these things are there. Just save this image. Okay. Okay, so this is again fireworks images. So you'll get only the PNG images. So that please download it and add it to here. Okay, is that clear, everybody? Okay, so just you need to refresh everything. Okay, so till now, whatever the works I have done, all these things. So minimum things, not necessary. Everything you need to learn. So in some classes, not possible to learn everything. So this is the work I have done in the last class, black and white and color images and all. And next we have done this color things and all. Okay, so this is the filter option what we have used. Again, we have done a simple advertisement design. Okay, so in CorelDRAW, we will go in detail about this advertisement design with using the curves and all. Okay, so this is also one simple design. Okay, again, this is not completely finished. Okay, so again with the background we have done and movie poster design we have done. Okay, so here yesterday we have done with the smudge tool. We need to do some more smudging things and all. Okay, and one more with that only brightness and contrast and all we have given. So with a different effect. Again, it is a collage work. Okay, we have created a fantasy world here. So mainly the image combination, and this is the work for the miniatures. So this is the miniature things and all. Okay, so again it is here, the bride is in a black and white and we are highlighted the jewelry, and here you can give the name as uh, Tanish Tata product, something you can give it. So you can make their brand Malbar, something you can give. So it is just an advertisement design. So if you see the poster, everybody will make like this only. So they will add their brand on the top of the image or somewhere in the down itself. Okay, so you need to add like that only. So next, this is one type of works cutting image in a different way. And the background here we have changed the background, and one more background I have added for the same girl image. And this is the thing what we have done with the to remove the marks on the face, wrinkles and all I have removed here. This is one kind of masking. And again with the miniatures here, so miniature works and all I have done. Okay, so again, this is the opacity. We have reduced the opacity of the image, and we have added the things. Okay, so this is the text effect blending options. Even I have asked some of the questions about the blending things and all. So you need to uh, see what is the blending options. Some of the poster things I have given for the palace. Okay, postering effect. And here what we have done, so we have increased the brightness and contrast, and even the background also brightness contrast we have increased. We have made the image brighter, even the lehenga also made brighter. Okay, so even same thing, only filter effects and all what we have done. Okay, so you need to do the you need to do these questions, okay, and you need to submit it, possible to submit it by tomorrow or today itself, because I'm going to finish today's class early as possible. Oh, okay, now only I'm going to finish the class. Only for the half an hour I have taken the class. Okay, is that clear, everybody? Anybody having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so go through with all the tools. Okay, file, what are the tools are there in the file, place, which is very important. Some of the shortcuts and all I have given: edit, cut, copy, paste. Okay, so all these are very important options: Control C, Control X, and Control V. Again, in the image, we have the adjustment things are there: brightness, contrast, levels, curves, exposure. So black and white, color balance. Even with the example I have shown you people, all these things you have to practice. Again, see here what are the options I am using. Taking the new layer, taking the deleting the layer. Same thing here. If you go to the layer option, again you have the option new layer and deleting the layer, duplicating the layer. So we are using only three options: new layer, duplicating layer, and deleting layer. Okay, again if you go to the filter, again you have the option of filter, filter gallery, and all this different kind of effects we have, that is texture effects, stylage, the same thing what you are seeing in the filter gallery, the same effects only you can see here. Okay, so that is with the filter option. And here one option is that called radial blur. So that this is one radial blur option, so that we can use it for the background. Okay, so this also you need to try. Okay, so this is with the filter option. Okay, just whatever the things which is not which is hidden over here, so that you can on using this window layer. So that is layers, options, tools, and all which is hiding over inside, so that we can open it with this tool. Okay, anybody installed the software? Okay, so please check with all these tools, lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and here we have the quick selection tool, magic wand tool, and I have done the eyedropper tool and the brush tool, and here we have the option of spot healing brush tool, healing brush tool, patch tool, and all. And check with the tone stamp tool, pattern stamp tool, and here we have the option called eraser, magic eraser tool, so paint bucket tool, gradient tool. Please check with this also: blur tool, sharpen tool, and the smudge tool, and dodge tool, burn tool, and the sponge tool. Okay, so here everything which is available in the videos, whatever the tutorials you want. Okay, type tools and all is there, and the blending options, and the custom shape tool. Okay, everybody, please check with this all this tool, and please as soon as possible to send me the assignments. Okay.